Hi, how are ya? Welcome back to my channel.
Hi!
Hi, my name is Ven Varilla.
And my name is Varilla, and welcome
to our channel. Yes!
First time we're gonna do this. In this video, we're gonna do a get ready with us. We're gonna do a makeup.
We're not really good in makeup, but we're gonna show you our daily routine and how we do our makeup on a daily basis. Okay, let's start.
Anong unang gagawin mo?
Kilay.
Kilay una yan. So, syempre ko primer ako. Our makeup is pretty much expired. So, like, itong palette ko na to, it's been with me for 2 years. Recommended lang niya when pag-open is 12 months. Ang ba't yung amoy niyo?
So, ako ang lagi kong start is kilay. So, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a Brow Power Duo. So, syempre, dapat yung brush, Anastasia din.
Wow!
7B. Wow! Parang... Yun nga yung dream mo eh, pag nag-makeup tutorial ka.
Ito yung dream namin, makeup tutorial.
So, sabihin mo kung anong brush yung ginamit mo. 7B.
Ang aking foundation is Makeup Forever.
So,
I have this for 3 years na. And wala pa siya sa half. Ganun ako, hindi nagme-makeup. So, best friend, what is your favorite color?
Favorite color ko, red. Dati. Ngayon, parang nagiging blue.
Ako wala mo.
Black.
Pantay ba? Oo. Okay, I'm about to conceal. Pero wala naman akong dapat conceal.
Ba?
Pero siya.
Nako ditong Boy Brow from Glossier. Ano lang to?
Alam ko na title nito.
Clear.
Feeling Makeup Guru.
Oo nga eh. Yun nga yung dream ko yung sasabihin ko kung ano yung mga gamit ka. Glossier Boy Brow in Clear.
What is your favorite food?
Ramen.
Ito yung fried chicken sa sinigang. Pag nasasad ako or pag may sakit ako. What is your best friend's biggest fear?
Nako, pala ka.
My Laura Mercier.
I mean,
translucent powder.
Ibang best friend. Natatakpan pala yung mukha.
So yan, hindi ako magbe-bake kasi nakaka-dry sa akin yung bake.
Ano ba yan? Full face makeup ka talaga?
Hindi ba full face? Minsan lang ako mag-makeup tutorial, di pa ako full face.
Ang next ko is from Glossier ulit, Lead Star. Hindi kasi, dream ko matutong mag-eyeshadow, pero hindi talaga eh. Ewan ko.
Ang biggest fear ni best friend, lokohin siya ng mga boyfriend.
Hindi na yung fear, no? It's a habit.
May security. So, magko-contour na ako and I have my Shade and Light Kat Von D palette and I have this makeup for 5 years.
Ito, maganda to kasi pag hindi ka marunong mag-eyeshadow, lalagyan mo lang to sa lid ng eyelid. Tapos, kamay lang gagamitin mo. If umaarte ka, brush. Pero ako kamay lang.
Use the code K10 for 10% off. Ganda yan, ah.
Diba? O, para ka may shadow na talaga. Fun fact, nung high school ako, ang tawag sa akin, Voldemort. You know who you are.
For alert of you! Oh my god, sino hate
Sino yun? Oh my god. Next, mag-ano na ako, lashes. I have Benefit Roller Lash. Nakuha namin to kay Jeffree Star. Jeffree Star is one of her biggest
influence.
You could go any place on earth, where would it be and why? Mahirap din yun
ako Japan pa rin kahit mga 9 times na ako nasa Japan.
Yeah, maganda talaga sa Japan. The other sister. Hello? Yung maraming hot air balloon.
Sa Turkey?
Parang ganda
nun.
ng
hot air balloon.
Alam ko.
Ay, ang taray. May Fenty Beauty.
Okay, talagay ko na yung eyeliner ko. O hindi.
Sige, tumingin ka sa
Nakita-
camera. Isusum ko.
Nakita ko to kay Nadine Lustre.
Oh, it's nice.
As in yung dulo lang. Ang
Nice.
hirap kasi sa eyeliner, parang trial and error siya. Parang pag nagkamali ka, no, pangit sa lahat.
What is your best friend's dream job?
Hindi ko alam.
Or I just want to be a full-time mom.
Yeah, yun ang alam ko. Full-time mom, nagbebe. Yan yung mga nakikita mo sa TV.
Pero super hot na full-time mom. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Si Venice, ang kanyang dream job ay maging YouTuber. Isn't it?
Mahirap makamutwa. Tapos Benetton from Benefit. Kay ko doon nakuha. Sobrang easy lang, pero hindi ko pa rin siya everyday ginagamit. Kasi, may smile. Just like that. May nakikita ba sa makeup ko? Wala. I don't do foundation, I don't do concealer, bronzer, and everything. Okay, tapos na ako. This is my everyday look.
Tapos ka na? Okay, wait lang ha. Bilisan ko. So, okay, tapos na ako.
Yeah.
So, yeah, you like my feeling here, makeup tutorial.
Makeup.
Guru thing. I put some false eyelashes and yeah, this is the result of our Get Ready With Us feeling beauty guru makeup tutorial / question and answer portion. If you like this kind of video, let us know, and
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
bye!
See you next time. Bradman Designs, bitch. Bitch.